Everybody, welcome back to another video, and today we'll be doing this lovely box fort I made here, and we'll be doing it versus rain. And it's not raining, as you can see, so we'll be using the hose. Right, I'm getting in. Okay, start the hose. No! Yay! We have survived! We have survived! We have survived, everybody! We have survived. Now for the next wave of them. Get in! Turn the rain on! Switch! What? How did it survive? How? And nothing's even broken. Anyway, oh yes. That is absolutely amazing. I want to just show you that nothing is broken. But I was inside this little place here, and you can see us getting soaked. Look at all this water. And if you go around the back here, look, there's just puddles of water. And none of my box fort has been broken. Wow. Yay! Anyway, but thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And bye-bye!